Olympic preparation for the qualifiers that was this year in Senegal. I went and qualified. I started my training immediately because I was aiming at to perform in the Olympics. Okay, I love turning kicks because I'm so quick, and turning kicks carries a lot of marks. And I also like dolly, although they score 2 points. Double will score 4.
A lot of emphasis on the round kick, because with Taekwondo, round kick offers the easiest scoring positions that also prevents the opponent from getting to you. So we have put emphasis on the easy basic kicks so that we do not burden the young girls with the more complicated kicks that need a lot of time to master.